Hi creatives, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, you are welcomed. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing us how to make buttonhole with the buttonhole foot. So the first thing to do is to remove this regular foot and put this buttonhole foot. Then this one, you put it this way. You bring your presser foot down and I've attached the buttonhole foot. The next thing I'll do is to know the size of the button I want to use, right? So whatever the size of your button is, you measure it from this point. The size of the button I'm working with is 1/2 inch. So for the buttonhole, I want to have some ease. I don't want it to be stuck when I'm passing the button, right? So on the fabric, I'm going to measure 0.5, 0.75. I'm going to use 0.75. Remember, the size of the button is 0.5, right? But the buttonhole I'm going to make is 0.75 so that it can have a bit of ease when I'm passing it, right? So I'm going to mark from those points 0.75 mark, right? So to get the 0.7 on this place, what I'm going to do from this, and this is the end of the buttonhole, this is the end of the buttonhole, right? So I'm just going to measure 0.75 from this end. 0.75, I'll measure it 0.75. So this is where 0.75 is, this third to the last line. This third to the last line, this one is 0.75. So I'll keep it there, right? I'll just leave it there. Then the next thing is to set my stitch. Before I set my stitch, this one is what we use to make buttonholes. This number 3 is for the left hand side, number 4 is for the up, number 2 is for the down, while number 1 is for the right hand side. I hope you understand. Number 1 is for the right hand side, number 2 is for the down, number 3 is for the left hand side, and number 4 is for the up. I hope you understand me. So right now I'm going to change my stitch. Can you see? I'm going to change it to number 1. And you see, this is number 1. I'll put my fabric this way. Remember, where 0.75 is the third mark before the last, the third before the last. So I'm going to bring it down, then I'll stitch. I've gotten to the down. I'll change this to number 2 now. Number 2 is the down. Then I'll change it to number 3. Number 3 I said is the left hand side. I've changed it to number 3. Then the up is number 4. I'll change it to number 4. And our buttonhole is ready. Can you see it? This is our buttonhole. The next thing I'm going to do is to open it up with my blade. I'm going to open it up, then try to pass my button through it. If it's not passing, I'll open it a little more. Can you see? So this is basically how to make your buttonhole. The opening of your hole shouldn't be big. When you are opening it, just check if the button will pass. I hope you understand me. So this is basically how to make a buttonhole. Alright, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. See you in my next one. Bye for now.